Everybody just bring it out. Bring it out. Just bring it out.
Me, my own is you are rude. Are you normal? You were rude. Are you okay? Yes.
Did you hear your tone?
Was it hear what you said?
It's not what you expect me to do. I should clap for you. But you are speaking to me in that manner.
No, you guys should stop telling people to back down when she's misbehaving now.
When is misbehaving?
Yes, you're always misbehaving, babe.
Talk your talk.
I'm talking my talk. You're rude. You're stupid. I'm not going to insult you, babe. I'm not going to insult you, but you don't have manners, Chinwe. I'm talking about you. You're so rude. Learn some manners, babe.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm not going to shut up. Come and hold my. You're senseless. She's very stupid. She's mad. Even if it's madness. Learn some manners. No, now. She doesn't have manners. She learn manners now. Talking about shut the fuck up and she's stupid. She's mad. She must be very, very mad. Sorry that it sounds regretful, but she must be mad.
I said it to your front. I said it to your front. I tell Rika, I can never say anything behind you.
And I will not argue with you if you're lying. If you want to be honest, be honest. You lie. You're lying.
I said it to your front. I said it to your front. She went there. She said you nothing coming behind. No, when I behind you, now who are you?
She should have talked and said, people are guys now, give me some cake. She went to go and pass me and she said, some people are stingy. I don't do childish shit. Face me. Face me.
Face you now.
Baby.
Child.
Suck
Childish
breast.
bitch.
Stupid. Suck breast. Me insult her. Am I a baby? Childish shit. Tap me and say, babe, we are guys. You are not giving me back cake.
Wani, what the fuck, man? Wani, what the fuck, man? Wani, what the fuck, man? What did I tell you, man? What did I tell you?